Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to be going over a sound that your car might be making, and it is super important that you get this sound checked out sooner than later. So my buddy called me and said that his daughter's car, when she comes to a stop or turns braking and stuff, the car makes an incredible grinding sound. So I was like, go ahead and come on by. I'll take a look at it. So this is her Ford Fusion, I believe it was. But this is a very common sound or problem that you'll see all over. I'm going to try to turn up the audio when the sound is actually coming up, which soon it will be. I'm getting started. When you're going slow, you'll be able to hear this sound really good. So here we go. Coming to a stop right here. Alright, so hopefully you heard that. When you come to a stop, it's like, hey, we're going to speed up. I'm going to slow down again. But if this is your issue, this is a super bad safety problem. This could totally hamper your braking, could fail your braking, really, really bad. So let's hear it one more time from the outside. All right, hopefully I'm going to try to do it one more time, then I'm going to get you to be able to hear it from the inside, hopefully. So this right here ends up being the pads on the brake pads on the rear passenger side, I believe it was, were metal to metal. So anytime she hit the brakes, it was like, it sounded horrible. I can't believe she even drove like this. I don't even know how long it was driving like this, but this is pads metal to metal. And one more time. Hopefully you've been able to hear that. So we're gonna go up here, turn around, and I'm gonna try to get you to be able to hear it from the inside of the car, so you can hear the grinding from the inside. Sometimes people are like, well, I can't hear it outside, but this is going to be on the inside. Now we're looking at the rear passenger tire when we slow down. Backside, especially when we turn and we slow do a turn, you can see it right here. We're going to turn it up a little bit for you. See, that sounds horrible. I really can't believe, like, it's at how long was it going like this? That the first time it started making a high-pitched sound, I would want to change it. All right, so you hear that. Hopefully this lets you know. So again, the pads were metal to metal. This thing is super unsafe to drive. Make sure you check out my video library on how to do your brakes. I have a ton of brake jobs front and rear. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, make sure you ask away. Hit up Scotty's Auto Talk. Like, subscribe, and share, and tell everybody about me. Hopefully I'll see you on the next helpful video.